Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video today because I am taking you guys along with me as I get my natural hair braided. So I'm on location right now. My girlfriend has graciously agreed to crochet my hair. She is absolutely spectacular. I'll leave her information right down here if she chooses to take any of you guys as customers, you know what I'm saying? But big thanks to Augusta Beauty Outlet for sponsoring this video for your review. I know that I just did a video showing you guys how we got my hair into this beautiful cinnamon hue. That video will be left in the tags, but I didn't want to be left out of the hot girl summer movement. I wanted to try something that was a little bit more out of my comfort zone, and Augusta Beauty Outlet had me covered. I told you guys about Augusta Beauty Outlet several different times. I actually go into that store and they always give me so much inspiration when it comes to my hair, and this time did not disappoint. So we're introducing a new brand. This is the brand called Afri. This is a new brand called Afri. So this is kind of what we're looking at doing today. This is the 3x Wavy 18-inch Goddess Locks. It's made of Kankulon hair, which I hear is one of the best. The shades that we're basically going to use today is T, 1B, and 27. The 27 really does replicate my hair color right now as close as we could get in this color or in this brand. I'm also going to be using the 1B 350. And look at that beautiful curve at the bottom with these 18-inch locks. They feel pretty light, so I'm really not too worried about it putting too much tension on my hair. I do trust my girlfriend to braid my hair down. And at the same time, because the price was so budget friendly, I don't feel compelled to leave it in too long because it's not costing me an arm and a leg, if you know what I'm saying. So something very, very necessary when I'm considering protective hairstyles on my hair. I really wanted to get into this whole, you know, vibe of trying to do locks in my hair. And the last brand that we'll be showing in this video is by MAYDE. And it is, I'm using the shade 27 crocheted hair in the Wavy Goddess Locks. So the pricing was absolutely amazing. Again, big thanks to Augusta Beauty Outlet for sponsoring this video for your review. And without further ado, if you want to see me turn my hair, or my girlfriend take my hair from this to this, just keep on watching.